What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, back with another video, man. Today we're gonna do my Air Jordan 11 collection video. It should be about 12 pair, but it ended up being 10 pair. So I'm gonna show y'all today. But before we get into that, I want to explain why I did not pick up those Salt 500 Yeezys today. It's because it's very slick on this road where I'm at right now, and they like close like a lot of roads down and stuff like that. And I don't feel comfortable driving an hour to get some shoes. So hopefully, dude I know that sells shoes, Jay, I got the yellow orcas from him. Hopefully he come through with a pair. Might cop them, but for retail, man, I might have to, take that drive tomorrow. So if I do, that's the video I will see tomorrow, the pickup of the Yeezy 500 Salts. And I'm gonna come back and do a review on feet for you guys. It's gonna be my first pair of Yeezy 500s in my collection. And I'm ready to get them in my hand, ready to see them, ready to put them on feet, how they feel. And I heard there's no boost in the 500s. So I'm gonna see how comfortable they are and see the size, and I'm gonna let y'all know all of that. So enough of the talking, make sure y'all subscribed already. Hit the notification bell, hit that thumbs up for your boy, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Put the snapshot right here at The Vintage World. Also tomorrow, I will be on Mr. Skinny's podcast, Anytime Podcast. I'll leave his link in the description box below. So y'all go over to his channel, subscribe, and we're gonna talk about some kicks, talk about what we feeling, and see what the subscribers gotta say, what questions y'all have, and we're gonna answer them for y'all. So let's get right into this collection video. Let's get it. All right, I had to start off right, man. The first sneaker, or the first Air Jordan 11 we have is the Air Jordan 11 Breads. Maybe my second favorite Air Jordan 11 in my collection, maybe like third all time. These are pretty old. I think this is the 2012 release, so these shoes are 6 years old. And I'm just, I think I wore them one time. Yeah, I wore them once. I got them DS, but you can tell like they getting old. Like even the patent leather is starting to like get real dirty, and over here it's getting like wore out and stuff like that. So maybe next year we get another Air Jordan 11 Bread. Hopefully, y'all already know people gonna go crazy over them, even if it's hot patent leather, even if it's 45. Regardless, people are gonna buy these shoes, and people are gonna have them in the collection. You feel me? So this is the first pair. Always let me know if y'all got the same sneaker I got in the comment section below. We'll get right into the next Air Jordan 11. Let's get it. All right, more recent Air Jordan 11 I had is the Air Jordan 11 Prom Nights. Y'all can see right here I got dirt on them. I don't know if y'all seen my Instagram story or Snapchat story. I'm not gonna say nothing on here, but y'all know why it's dirt right here, man. I'm still trying to clean these joints. I did wear them, but yeah, I gotta clean these. So if y'all follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram, you already know what happened. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below if y'all got these. I feel like this is probably this gonna be my top 10 sneaker pickups of this year, just because pretty much like the simplicity of the shoe, but it's still like fire. It got that gamma feel to it, and I still don't have the gammas in my collection, so it's like this is as close as I can get. I went ahead and grabbed them, you feel me? I did a review on feet of these joints. If y'all want to check it out, go to my channel, search it, y'all should see it. Let's get into the next Air Jordan 11. All right, the next one we have, these released in 2016, I believe. As you can see, we had an Air Jordan 11 Space Jams with the 4.5 on the back, and I got that hot patent leather, man. Some people was feeling the hot patent leather. I think this is the first, yeah, these are the first Air Jordan 11s with the hot patent leather, if I'm not mistaken. Do not quote me on that. But I knew it was a big deal when they did it, and everybody was like, what? And they put patent leather, and this shoe was like getting a lot of like, I wouldn't say controversy, but a lot of like backlash, because people like seeing the peaks and stuff like that, and it was just crazy, bro. So, but I still had to grab a pair, man. I wore these joints. Y'all let me know if y'all got these in the comment section below. And I actually doubled up on this pair, and I went to sell it at that sneaker event I went to, KC Wave. I'll put a link right here. Y'all go check it out, man. I think the video is called The Life of a Reseller. I sold these, and I sold my Supreme up tempos. I think I sold those. I know I sold 2 pair of shoes, but yeah, y'all go check that out, and let me know if I got these in the comment section below. Let's get into the next Air Jordan 11. All right, next we have the Air Jordan 11 Winlight 82 joints. Got the UNC colorway going on, Midnight Navy, hot patent leather, 2-3 on the back. It would have been dope to put 4 or 5 on all of them, but hey, you can't always get what you want with Jordan brand or sneakers in general. But you got the peaks on there, and let me know how y'all feel about the hot patent leather and the peaks on your Air Jordan 11s, because y'all know back in the day people was like, if you got peaks, they fake, but now Jordan brand is giving y'all peaks. So y'all tell me how y'all feel about that. These are already yellowing, and I think I have worn these. I have not worn these. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I have not worn these, but it's yellowing right now, as you can tell. I'm gonna have to bring these out soon. I gotta get a fire outfit with it and pull them out the right way. You feel me? You can't just pull something out and just going to the store. You gotta pull out, you know what I'm saying, be fresh, you feel me? So let me know if I got these in the comments below. We're gonna get to the next Air Jordan 11. All right, the last Air Jordan 11 high that I have in my collection is the Win Like 96 joints, all red upper, got the black Jumpman, black 2-3 back there. And I got these at 8.5 because these sold out where I was at. So like, I gotta get somebody pair. And on one pair, it's like a yellow, and on my other pair, it was like translucent, like real blue. And I did that reviewing on feet on the channel, and people was like, wait, why is your pair got two different things? I didn't notice it first, but I noticed it right after, and it is yellow. It's something like the next pair of shoes I'm gonna show y'all. So y'all let me know if y'all got these in the comment section below, and y'all check out the other bottoms of this shoe. All right, I beat these joints up. I was always pulling these out. Like, these are my go-tos, and I have the gym red or these is the gym red lows or cherry red lows, and they kind of got the same outsole as the Win Like 96 joints, but one of the other ones is like real icy blue, you feel me? I gotta clean these. I'm gonna keep these out right now. Got stains right there, but I wore these a lot of times, and it's crazy. So gotta rotate my kicks, you feel me? And summertime, the 11 lows was popping, you feel me? So let me know if I got these in the comment section below, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the next Air Jordan 11. All right, next we have the Air Jordan 11 bread lows. Had to get the whole pack. So next year I'm gonna have a high pad leather. I'm gonna have all 3 pair, you feel me? So I'm gonna have different options of which bread I wanna wear for the day, you feel me? So y'all let me know if y'all went after these. These are pretty old. I think I got these in 2015. So these are like, these 3 years old. And these are like, I don't know. For some reason, these look older than these for some reason. I don't know what it is. But y'all know you had the little 2-3 back there, low cut. Let me know if y'all feel better. I know everybody gonna say that high. So y'all let me know if y'all grabbed these back in 2015. And yeah, we're gonna get to the next one. All right, another shoe that I have not worn yet, or I have worn these, or my little brother probably wore them, I don't know. You got the Air Jordan 11 UNC joints, all white upper. Like, this is a crispy blue, you feel me? I like that. And these things pop. I think I did wear these in the summertime one time, or like some light blue jeans. No, I don't even remember. Usually I take a picture of what I wore for a day if I like stepped out or something, but maybe not. But I definitely wore these. There's rocks and dirt all in these joints. Yeah, y'all let me know if y'all grab these. I think these were released in 2017. Very interested in knowing, because it's kind of like a girly colorway. If you say, you know, some people be like, oh, I don't like the bread colorway, I don't like the blues, I don't like the light blues, the pinks, stuff like that. I got like a lot of different colors, and people be talking trash. So y'all let me know if y'all grab these. I'm feeling them. Y'all let me know if y'all feeling them, man. Let's get into the next Air Jordan 11. All right, this is the second to last one. We have the closing ceremonies, or the ring ceremony 11s, the all gold upper right here. I have not worn these in a while. I wore these like 2 times, and I was walking real light, you feel me? These are dope. I want to see a high cut gold patent leather 11, but we probably won't see that for like some years, you feel me? But this is a dope sneaker. This released in 2016. This is before I did YouTube, but I had to cop these. I got these when I was working at Champ Sports, and they got these on discount, or these was a quick strike maybe, I don't remember. But yeah, y'all let me know if y'all grab these or these too much in the comment section below. Let's get into the last Air Jordan 11. So I feel like I had to go out with a bang. These could possibly be in the top 10 as well. I don't know. I copped a lot of shoes this year, and these are the Air Jordan 11 Jeter lows, man. Get the 2 on the back, all binary blue upper, suede, just killing it. Laces is dope. The rope lace feel with the milky bottoms. Rock these joints already, and these is just dope, man. Got the respect in there. I got this one early, but y'all know, being over in Germany, I got these like 2 weeks after the release. Like, it's crazy. But this might be in my top 10. Y'all let me know if these will be anywhere in y'all top 10 pickups this year. That video will be dropping very soon, maybe Sunday, after I pick up these 500 salts. And yeah, let me know if y'all cop these. Let me know how y'all feeling about them in the comment section below. All right, that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed my Air Jordan 11 collection. Y'all let me know what all Air Jordan 11 y'all got in the comment section below. Everybody know that I'm missing 1 pair, and it is the Concords. I will get those eventually. I want to get all like the bread colorways in my collection. Not bread, or the OG colorways, I would say. So the Concords are definitely coming. I missed out on 2 early releases on Sneakers app just because I don't know what's wrong with Sneakers app. I don't think Sneakers app give me anything. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about them, bro, because it's getting crazy now. I haven't got a shoe on there since, I think, the closing ceremony 11s. I don't know, maybe. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all notification bell is lit. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And like I said, the Anytime Podcast on Mr. Skinny's channel will be going on tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will leave his link in the description box below. So y'all go subscribe to him and hit that notification bell. And I'm going to catch y'all on that tomorrow night after the Yeezy 500 Salt video, man. So, with all that being said, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Peace.